Hey guys, got a quick update for you here on the 1992 machine. So I took the entire cabinet off of the machine, and well, I bypassed the lit switch on this here. So now that I got it bypassed here, now the machine will agitate. Well, actually it's already done that with the lid open, but now it will also drain and spin with the lid open without having to strike the lid switch with a pencil like I used to, like I did, or like I had to before. So right now I'm just washing a few blankets and a sweater and a towel. Also, I might have a few other videos, like maybe another video or two coming up here, because I recorded the machine running without the cabinet on. So maybe you'll be able to see that running in action if I do have the means to actually edit that and upload it. So just wait here. It's about to go into drain. So it's almost there. I don't know if you can see it now. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, love that kind. Yeah, without the pen, it's draining without the pencil kind in the lid switch. Just wait here until it goes into spin. Ooh, it's a little shaky. A little bit of a shaky spin there. Getting a little shakies there on the cabinet. Oh, got water drop on the lens. Wow. Memory's about to run out here though, so. Oh wow. But now look, just real quick, I can close it, and I can open that kind and it still be spinning.